Are you making these catastrophic affiliate marketing mistakes that are costing you thousands every month? Keep watching to find out the shocking truth and learn how to fix them before it's too late. One common mistake in affiliate marketing is choosing products based solely on high commission rates or their popularity. It might seem like a smart move initially, but without considering how relevant these products are to your audience, you end up with low conversion rates. Think about it. If your audience comes to your platform for gardening tips, suddenly promoting high commission electronics won't resonate with them. They trust you to provide value in your specialized field. And when you stray from that, you risk losing their trust and engagement. Now, another thing to consider is that when you promote products that align with your audience's interests, you're not just offering them a product, you're providing a solution to their problems or a way to enhance something they already love. This creates a stronger connection and increases the likelihood they'll click your affiliate links and make a purchase. Ask yourself, have you ever felt frustrated when a trusted source recommended something completely unrelated to your needs? How did that impact your trust in their recommendations? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit DigMarketing101.com and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Neglecting audience building is a critical mistake many affiliate marketers make, and it can severely hinder your chances of success. Picture this, you're promoting excellent products, but if you don't have a targeted audience that's interested in them, your efforts will fall flat. It's like shouting into a void, no one's there to hear you. First, think about the importance of nurturing relationships with your audience. Building trust is paramount. Regularly engage with them through comments, emails, or social media interactions. Show that you genuinely care about their needs and interests. This rapport not only fosters loyalty, but also makes them more likely to follow your recommendations. Understanding your audience's needs is equally essential. Conduct surveys, read through comments, and utilize analytics to get a sense of what your audience is interested in. Tailoring your content and product recommendations to their preferences can dramatically improve your conversion rates. For example, if your audience loves detailed gardening tutorials, create content that digs deep into those topics and recommend products that aid their gardening endeavors. Creating valuable content is another cornerstone of effective audience building. Don't just churn out generic posts or videos. Ensure your content provides genuine value. Offer tips, guides, and insights that solve problems or enhance your audience's knowledge. When your audience perceives your content as valuable, they're more likely to return, engage, and trust your affiliate suggestions. Remember, without a targeted and engaged audience, even the best affiliate products won't yield the desired results. So here's something to ponder. Are you doing enough to nurture and grow your audience? What steps can you take today to better understand and serve their needs? Understanding the importance of complying with FTC guidelines and other legal requirements in affiliate marketing is crucial for your success and credibility. These guidelines exist to protect consumers and ensure transparency. One common mistake is not properly disclosing affiliate relationships. For instance, if you recommend a product and earn a commission from the sale, it's mandatory to inform your audience about this relationship. Failing to do so can severely damage your reputation and could lead to legal consequences. Misleading claims are another pitfall to avoid. Always be honest and accurate in your descriptions and recommendations. Overstating benefits or making false promises can not only lead to customer dissatisfaction, but also legal repercussions. The FTC monitors these claims closely and can impose hefty fines for non-compliance. Not disclosing affiliate links properly is another frequent error. Whether you're sharing links in blog, social media, or videos, clarity is key. Use clear language like, "This is an affiliate link," or "I may earn a commission," to ensure your audience understands that you might gain from their purchases. This transparency builds trust with your audience, making them more likely to take your recommendations seriously. Ignoring these requirements can lead to serious consequences such as fines, lawsuits, or the loss of your affiliate partnerships. It's essential to stay informed about the latest guidelines and incorporate them into your marketing strategies. Now, think about this. What steps can you take today to ensure your affiliate marketing practices are compliant and transparent?